What happens when tech meets politics? The DJI drone ban in the U.S. House unveils a new reality. Let's dive deep. This Friday marked a significant shift as the Countering CCP Drones Act passed in the U.S. House. This legislation, embedded in the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, could halt all future sales of DJI drones in the U.S. Why this sudden decision? DJI, a giant with over 70% of the global drone market, is under scrutiny for its ties to Chinese state enterprises, sparking fears of surveillance and national security risks. Representative Elise Stefanik highlighted these concerns, pushing for a ban to cut off potential Chinese surveillance through these widely used drones from law enforcement to military applications. However, if you're already flying a DJI drone, don't worry. The legislation doesn't affect drones already purchased. The bill has sailed through Congress but faces its next challenge in the Senate. For those opposing the bill, now is the time to reach out to your senators. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and drop your thoughts below. What's your take on the DJI drone ban?